The flat white, a coffee beverage cherished by many, finds its roots in the vibrant coffee cultures of Australia and New Zealand. Emerging in the 1980s, the flat white sought to answer the demand for a coffee stronger than a latte, but smoother than a cappuccino. While its exact origins remain a topic of debate between the two nations, its impact on the global coffee scene is undeniable. The flat white quickly gained popularity, captivating coffee enthusiasts with its balanced flavor profile and velvety texture. Today, the flat white stands as a testament to the innovation and artistry found within coffee communities worldwide. Creating the perfect flat white at home requires a few key ingredients and tools. These essentials will ensure that your homemade flat white rivals those from your favorite cafe. Begin with freshly roasted, high-quality coffee beans, grinding them just before brewing for optimal freshness. The quality of the beans significantly impacts the flavor profile of your coffee, so choose wisely. Whole milk, with its higher fat content, is traditionally favored for its ability to produce a luxuriously smooth and creamy microfoam. This microfoam is crucial for the texture and mouthfeel of your flat white. An espresso machine, whether a sophisticated automatic model or a more hands-on manual lever machine, forms the heart of the process, extracting a concentrated and flavorful espresso shot. The quality of the espresso shot is fundamental to the overall taste of your flat white. Alternatively, a stovetop espresso maker, like a mocha pot, can be used for a more accessible approach. While it may not produce the same pressure as an espresso machine, it still delivers a strong and robust coffee base. Lastly, a milk frother or steam wand is essential for creating the signature velvety microfoam that distinguishes the flat white. The technique of frothing the milk to the right consistency is an art in itself, requiring practice and precision. The foundation of a remarkable flat white lies in a well-extracted double shot of espresso. This is the heart and soul of your drink, providing the rich, robust flavor that defines a great espresso-based beverage. Begin by grinding your beans finely, aiming for a consistency resembling table salt. The grind size is crucial as it affects the extraction process, ensuring that the water flows through the coffee at the right rate. Distribute the grounds evenly in your portafilter, using your finger or a distribution tool to ensure a level surface. This step is essential to avoid channeling, where water finds the path of least resistance, leading to uneven extraction. Tamp the grounds firmly, applying even pressure to create a compact puck of coffee. A consistent tamp ensures that the water pressure is evenly distributed across the coffee, resulting in a balanced extraction. Secure the portafilter in your espresso machine and begin brewing. Make sure your machine is properly preheated to maintain the optimal brewing temperature. Aim for a 25 to 30 second extraction time, yielding approximately 60 milliliters of espresso. This time frame allows for the perfect balance of flavors to be extracted from the coffee grounds. The ideal espresso shot should flow like warm honey, exhibiting a rich dark brown color with a thin layer of crema on top. The crema is a sign of a well-extracted espresso, adding a velvety texture and a hint of sweetness. A well-balanced espresso shot will have a harmonious blend of sweetness, acidity, and bitterness. This balance is what makes espresso so unique and enjoyable, offering a complex and satisfying flavor profile in every sip. While the espresso is brewing, it's time to prepare the steamed milk. The quality of the milk foam can make or break your coffee experience. Pour cold whole milk into a chilled stainless steel pitcher, filling it to about halfway. Using whole milk is crucial as it has the right balance of fat and protein to create a creamy texture. Position the steam wand just below the surface of the milk and begin steaming. The angle and depth of the steam wand are key to achieving the perfect microfoam. As the steam injects into the milk, it introduces air, creating tiny bubbles. These bubbles are the foundation of microfoam, giving the milk its light and airy texture. Maintain a swirling motion in the milk, creating a whirlpool effect to ensure even heating and consistent microfoam production. This motion helps to break down larger bubbles into finer ones. Aim for a milk temperature between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 150 degrees Fahrenheit, or 60 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. This temperature range is ideal for achieving the right texture and sweetness. Well-steamed milk should have a smooth, velvety texture, resembling wet paint with a subtle sweetness. The milk should pour like liquid silk, enhancing the overall coffee experience. This is the hallmark of proper microfoam, essential for the flat white's silky mouthfeel. perfect microfoam not only looks beautiful but also adds a luxurious texture to your coffee.